Hi, I'm locayoj. I want to travel if I have money. I love makeup and I have a small business. Still in midlife crisis. Now let's jump to the video. This is the last installment of our Japan vacation. We decided not to take a lot of videos or took a lot of photos on our last 4 days in Japan. We savor the moments on all of our visits in Kyoto, Nara, Osaka, and our stay in Tokyo. Enjoy!
Hi guys, we found this
Manga.
manga store and we bought a lot.
When we arrived in Kyoto, the first place that we visited was Gion. Gion is a traditional entertainment district lying north and south of Shijo Street and stretching from the Kamogawa River in the west as far as the Yasaka Jinja Shrine in the east. Originally, this shrine was called Gion Shrine, and the entertainment area developed here to service its many pilgrims with food and drink. This is the Yasaka Kushindo Temple. It is one of the most colorful temple I've been to. It's a small temple located in Higashiyama area in Kyoto. The temple is close by the famous Kiyomizu-dera Temple. It has a unique way to worship. Worshippers write their wish on a colorful wall called Kukurizaru and hang them on the side. This is the famous Fushimi Inari Shrine. It is an important Shinto shrine in southern Kyoto. It is famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates. While the primary reason of most foreign visitors come to Fushimi Inari is to explore the mountain trails, the shrine buildings themselves are also attractive. At the shrine's entrance stands the Roman Gate, which was donated in 1589 by the famous leader Toyotomi Hideyoshi. Senbon Tori, thousands of torii gates. The torii gates along the entire trail are donations by individuals and companies, and you will find the donator's name and the date of the donation inscribed on the back of each gate. The cost starts around 400,000 yen for a small size gate and an increase to over 1 million yen for a large gate. We spent our afternoon at Nara Park. According to the Shinto tradition and lore, Nara deer were the sacred messengers of the gods, such as that in ancient times, killing a deer in Nara was a crime punishable by death. These days, the deer are no longer considered sacred, but to honor tradition, they are considered national treasures, which is why you can see them roam. Nara deers are so used to the presence of humans that they've come to see tourists as a source of food. You can buy deer crackers to feed them, after which deer will quickly start following you around. These are apparent nutritional balance specifically for the deer, so please don't just go around giving them animals pizza. A word of advice, don't run or panic. Just calmly hand out the crackers until they are all gone, or you can find yourself being chased as many visitors are. And don't forget to bow to show your respects of all of the Nara deers. The high-speed Shinkansen service, also known as the bullet train, will get you from Kyoto station to Osaka station in 12 minutes for only 1,420 yen. This is the fastest and most comfortable route into Osaka and might be worthwhile if you have a Japan Rail Pass to cover the cost, which we have.
I'll go to Starbucks first, man, ha? Ay, let's go here, man, no? Sa ano?
So this is the last installment of our Japan vacation. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't watched my other 3 videos about Japan, don't forget to watch it. And that's all. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to say hello.